Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? So students, this is our third video lecture of EVS chapter number 5, soil. So before we starting our today's topic, let's do a quick revision of our previous videos. Yeah? So let's start. Okay. So in our previous video, we learned about the formation of soil, composition of soil and types of soil. Okay, so let's have a look. First of all, soil. See, soil is very important for the plants, right? Because most of the plants grows in soil, right? Without soil we cannot plant trees. So soil is very important to us. Now, how this soil is formed? How this soil is formed? So, big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. See, first of all, how soil is formed? See, weathering. Now, weathering affects the big rocks. For example, sun's heat, wind, storm, rain, all these factors affects the rocks, right? Then, a big rock will be break down into smaller pieces, right? Because this big rocks affects by all of this weathering factor and it will break down into smaller pieces. Now also the smaller pieces of rock will got affected by this weathering and it will turn into the fine powder. Now this process is called weathering. Big pieces of rock broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. Now whenever the fine powder is known as sand. Now this fine powder, it is what? It is known as sand, right? So this sand mixes with remains of dead plants, animals, minerals, right? All these things mixes with the sand and then our soil is formed, right? From the big rocks we'll get the fine powder, right? When the big rocks breaking down into smaller pieces of rock and from the smaller pieces of rocks we'll get the fine powder. Now this fine powder is when it mixes with dead plants, dead animals and minerals, we'll get the soil, right? Now soil is the top layer of the earth's surface and the soil consists what? Soil consists sand, dead plants, dead animals, minerals, water and air. All these things are consist by the soil, right? Now soil is very important for life on earth because most of the plants grows in soil, right? Without soil we cannot plant trees. And when the trees were not planted, then how we get the food and the oxygen? Because we get the food and the oxygen from the trees, which is very essential for the human life as well as the animal's life. So soil is very important to us and soil is also home to many insects and animals. Then we learned about the composition of soil, right? We learned about composition of soil. So soil is made up of different types of soil particles. Soil is made up of what? Soil is made up of different types of soil particles. Now these soil particles are sand, clay and silt. There are three main soil particles and they are clay, sand and silt. So first of all, sand. So these are the largest soil particles. Sand are the largest soil particles. Here you can see this in the picture. Sand is the largest soil particle. Then clay. Clay is the smallest soil particle. And silt. Silt are smaller than sand particles and bigger than clay particles, right? So these three are the soil particles. Then comes the types of soil. Now types of soil, there are three main types of soil. Now types of soil depends upon the amount of different soil particles are present in it, right? कि टाइप्स ऑफ सोइल जो है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि जो भी सोइल के अंदर कितने सोइल पार्टिकल्स कितनी अमाउंट में उसके अंदर है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, राइट? There are three main types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil, right? So sandy soil. So these types of soil has the greater proportion of sand particles. Sandy soil में सबसे ज़्यादा sand particles होते हैं. That is why it is called the sandy soil, right? Now sandy soil feel rough and gritty, non-sticky when wet, and it also does not hold much water drains most of it, right? Because it contains more sand particles. This is why it does not hold much water. Then second soil is the clayey soil. Now this soil has a greater proportion of clay particles, right? इस टाइप की सोइल में सबसे ज़्यादा clay particles होते हैं. That is why it is called clayey soil. And the last one is loamy soil. So what is loamy soil? Now this type of soil is almost the same amount of sand, clay and silt. तो इस टाइप की सोइल में सेम अमाउंट में सैंड, क्ले एंड सिल्ट होते हैं. दैट मीन्स द सोइल पार्टिकल्स in this types of soil, the soil particles are in the same amount, right? This is called loamy soil. Now loamy soil is the best for growing plants. Why? Because it's rich in nutrients, humus and allows water to pass through easily. Okay, so there are three types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. Okay, so let's start our today's topic, which is soil profile. राइट, अब तक हमने क्या लर्न किया? सो वी लर्न अबाउट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल, composition of soil and the types of soil. Now we are going to learn the soil profile. Okay, so let's start. Soil profile refers to the layer of soil. Soil profile refers to the layer of soil. In the picture, these layers have been named A, B and C. So here you can see this in the picture. It is the soil profiles picture, right? Now soil profile refers to the layer of soil. Soil जो profile है, ये soil profile किसे कहते हैं? It shows the layer of soil. Soil profile shows the layer of soil. आपको पता है soil जो होती है उसकी भी कितनी layers होती है, right? तो ये soil की profile है, ये हमें show करता है different layers of soil. Now in this picture these layers have been named A, B and C. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको explain किया कि soil की भी layers होती है, right? Soil has the different layers. So in this soil profile we'll learn about the different layer of soil. So in this picture they named the layers A, B and C, right? ये जो layers है उसके यहाँ पे हमें नाम भी दिए गए हैं A, B and C, right? So let's learn in detail. A is the top soil. Now A layer, right? Here you can see this in picture. A is the top soil. ये A वाली जो आपको दिख रही है soil की layer, it is called top soil. It is the uppermost layer. It is the uppermost layer of soil and contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. Now this top soil, A, it is called top soil. It is the uppermost layer of soil. ये जो A है वो क्या है? This layer is the uppermost layer of soil. Soil की सबसे ऊपर की जो layer होती है, सबसे ऊपर की top most layer जो होती है, right? ये लेयर जो होती है वो क्या कंसिस्ट करती है? इट कंटेन्स फाइन पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सैंड, क्ले, ह्यूमस, वाटर एंड एयर. तो ये जो ए वाली लेयर है वो सोइल की सबसे अपर लेयर होती है, सबसे ऊपर की लेयर होती है. ना ये जो लेयर होती है स्टूडेंट्स, इसके अंदर फाइन पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सैंड, क्ले, ह्यूमस, वाटर एंड एयर, ये सारी चीज़ें इसके अंदर इंक्लूड होती है. तो जैसे यहाँ पे देख रहे हो ये ऊपर क्या है? ये जो पिक्चर है ऊपर जो है वो प्लांट ग्रो किया हुआ है, राइट? ऊपर जो है वो प्लांट है और प्लांट हम किस में ग्रो करते हैं? सोइल में ग्रो करते हैं. तो ये जो नीचे जो है सोइल प्रोफाइल है वो क्या है? सोइल के डिफरेंट लेयर्स. तो ये पूरी की पूरी सोइल है और उसके ऊपर प्लांट जो है वो ग्रो किया हुआ है, राइट? सो हियर दिस इज द सोइल and this A, B and C are the different layers of soil. So A layer, here you can see this in the picture. This A layer is the topmost layer. It is called top soil. Now this A layer, it is called top soil. सबसे ऊपर की, सबसे ऊपर वाला जो लेयर होता है उसे हम कहते हैं top soil. Now this is the uppermost layer of the soil and contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. ये सारी चीज़ें टॉप लेयर में, टॉप सोइल में इंक्लूड है, राइट? देन कम्स द बी लेयर. सो बी इज कॉल्ड सब सोइल. ए लेयर इज कॉल्ड टॉप सोइल, बी लेयर इज कॉल्ड सब सोइल. बी इज कॉल्ड द सब सोइल. इट इज द मिडल लेयर ऑफ सोइल. present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. B is called the subsoil. It is the middle layer of soil. B जो है, ये B वाली जो layer है उसे हम कहते हैं subsoil. Now this middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. So ये जो 3 layers है soil की, right? There shows us the 3 layers of soil. So first one is A, right? So A, it is called topsoil because it is the uppermost layer of the soil and it contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. Then comes the B layer. So this B layer is called subsoil. It is called what? This B layer, it is called subsoil. Now this middle layer of soil, right? This is the top layer. Now B is the middle layer. So this middle layer of soil presents below the topsoil. टॉप सॉइल के नीचे, बिलो मीन्स नीचे, राइट? तो टॉप सॉइल के जो नीचे है इसे हम कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं इसे? सब सॉइल, राइट? नाउ इट कंटेन्स ब्रोकन पीसेस ऑफ रॉक्स. सो यहाँ पे आप पिक्चर में देख ही सकते हो, दिस बी लेयर सब सॉइल कंटेन्स ब्रोकन पीसेस ऑफ रॉक्स. रॉक्स के जो ब्रोकन पीसेस होते हैं वो ये बी लेयर में हमें देखने को मिलते हैं. ए लेयर में क्या होता है? टॉप सॉइल में क्या होता है? टॉप सॉइल कंटेन्स fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air, while B layer contains fine pieces of rocks, right? Broken pieces of rocks. B layer contains broken pieces of rocks. Then comes the C layer. Now C is called the bedrock. C is called what? C is called the bedrock. It is the bottom layer of soil and is quite deep inside the earth. It has large pieces of rocks. Now students, this C layer is called what? It is called bedrock. The last layer of the soil is called bedrock. It is the bottom layer of soil, right? This bedrock, it is the bottom layer of the soil. Now इट क्वाइट डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ. ये जो सी लेयर जो होती है वो अर्थ के बहुत अंदर होती है. इट इज़ वेरी डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ, राइट? अर्थ के बहुत ही अंदर होती है ये थर्ड वाली लेयर. इट इज़ बेडरॉक लेयर जो होती है वो अर्थ के बहुत अंदर होती है. इट हैज़ लार्ज पीसेस ऑफ रॉक्स. हियर यू कैन सी दिस इन द पिक्चर. सो दिस बेडरॉक लेयर हैज़ द लार्ज पीसेस ऑफ रॉक्स. Yeah, so this is the soil profile. Now soil profile means what? Soil profiles refers to the layer of soil. ये जो soil profile है वो हमें soil के layers दिखाती है. So here you can see this in the picture. This is the plant and this is the soil, and also they shows us the different layer of soil. So there are 3 layers of soil, right? A, B and C. Now this A is called topsoil, B is called the subsoil and C is called bedrock, right? There are 3 layers of the earth. First layer of the soil is called topsoil, middle layer of the soil is called subsoil and the bottom layer of the soil is called bedrock, right? Topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. So topsoil consists what? Topsoil contains fine pieces of clay, sand, humus, water and air. Now B layer. Subsoil contains broken pieces of rocks and bedrock contains large pieces of rocks. So this is the soil profile. ये different layers है soil के, राइट? जैसे भी आप कहीं पे भी आप प्लांट ग्रो करते हो, कहीं पे भी आप ट्री देखते हो तो उसके नीचे की जो सोइल होती है तो सोइल के भी 3 लेयर्स होते हैं, राइट? फर्स्ट लेयर इट इज़ कॉल्ड टॉप सोइल, सेकेंड लेयर इज कॉल्ड सब सोइल एंड द थर्ड लेयर इज कॉल्ड बेडरॉक, राइट? टॉप सोइल, सब सोइल एंड बेडरॉक. सो दिस इज द सोइल प्रोफाइल. ओके, फाइन. Then we'll start our next topic, which is soil erosion. Okay, soil erosion. So what is soil erosion? Topsoil is very fertile because it is rich in humus. topsoil is very fertile because it is rich in humus. Strong wind and water wash away the loose topsoil. तो soil erosion क्या है students? Topsoil is very fertile because it is rich in humus. तो यहाँ पे जैसे हमने soil profile में देखा the top layer it is consist what? Top layer consists sand, clay, humus, water and air, right? So the topsoil is very fertile. So soil profile में जो topsoil होती है it is very fertile because it is rich in humus, strong winds and water. Wash away the loose topsoil. तो जो strong winds होती है वो topsoil जो होता है उसको wash कर देती है, right? Because see in this soil profile topsoil जो होती है वो सबसे ज़्यादा fertile होती है and topsoil जो होती है वो सबसे first layer होता है soil का. तो जो जब strong wind आता है, जब rain होती है, जो top layer होता है वो सबसे पहले wash होता है, राइट? रेन की वजह से, विंड की वजह से जो टॉप सोइल होता है, टॉप लेयर होता है वो फर्स्टली वॉश होता है. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड द सोइल इरोशन. टॉप सोइल इज़ वेरी फर्टाइल बिकॉज इट इज़ रिच इन ह्यूमस. स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स एंड वाटर वॉश अवे द लूज टॉप सोइल. तो जो टॉप सोइल में जो लूज सोइल होती है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड और वाटर की वजह से वॉश आउट हो जाती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड सोइल इरोशन. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. So students, what is soil erosion? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. See students, topsoil जो होती है, right? Topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil, right? Because of the strong wind and water, this fertile topsoil will removed, right? This is called soil erosion. So the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of winds and water is called soil erosion. टॉप लेयर जो होता है, टॉप सोइल जो होती है वो फर्टाइल सोइल होती है, राइट? तो फर्टाइल टॉप सोइल जो होती है वो रिमूव हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड एंड वाटर. तो जो टॉप लेयर जो होती है, टॉप सोइल जब वो रिमूव हो जाती है तो उसे हम कहते हैं सोइल इरोशन. स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स, हेवी रेनफॉल एंड कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज इंक्रीज सोइल इरोशन. तो सोइल इरोशन क्या होता है वो हमने सीखा, राइट? व्हाट इज सोइल इरोशन? सो द रिमूवल ऑफ फर्टाइल टॉप सोइल बाय द एक्शन ऑफ विंड एंड वाटर इज कॉल्ड सोइल इरोशन. जैसे आपको पता हो जब भी रेन आती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स आती है तो बहुत सारी हमें एटमॉस्फेयर में सैंड उड़ती है, क्ले एंड दिस ऑल द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सोइल, राइट? तो उससे क्या होता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड और वाटर की उसकी वजह एक्शन की वजह से जो टॉप फर्टाइल सोइल होती है वो वॉश हो जाती है, राइट? इट इज़ कॉल्ड सोइल इरोशन. नाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स, हैवी रेनफॉल एंड कटिंग डाउन ट्रीज इंक्रीज सोइल इरोशन. तो सोइल इरोशन कब इंक्रीज होता है? सो बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स, हैवी रेनफॉल एंड कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज इंक्रीज सोइल इरोशन, राइट? Soil erosion is very harmful to our environment because it will remove all the fertile topsoil, right? And without soil we cannot plant the trees. So strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees increase the soil erosion. Fine. So here students, this is the soil profile. There are the three layers of the soil. First one is topsoil, second one is subsoil and the last one is bedrock, right? So this is the soil profile. Now topsoil is contains what? Sand, clay, humus, water and air. Now subsoil contains broken pieces of rock and bedrock contains large pieces of rock. So this is the soil profile, right? Then comes the soil erosion. So everyone knows what is soil erosion. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the actions of wind and water is called soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees increases the soil erosion. Fine. Then comes the let's remember part. Okay, circle the odd one out. First one, wind, water, weathering, humus. So here we have to pick one and circle that. Circle the odd one. Wind, water, weathering, humus. So the answer is humus. So circle the humus because wind, water and weathering, they are connected to each other. Humus is the odd one. Then comes the second question. Sand, humus, silt and clay. Sand, humus, silt and clay. So in this also humus is the odd one. Now circle the humus. Why? Because sand, silt and clay, these three are the soil particles, right? Sand, silt and clay are the soil particles. So humus is the odd one in this question, right? So circle humus. Then comes the question 3. Iron, calcium, potassium and gravel. Iron, calcium, potassium and gravel. So in this question, gravel is the odd one. So circle the gravel. Why? Iron, calcium and potassium, these three are the minerals, right? Iron, calcium and potassium are the minerals. So in this question, gravel is the odd one. Then comes the question number 4. Sandy, iron, clay and loamy. Sandy, iron, clay and loamy. So in this question, iron is the odd one. Why? Because sandy, clay and loamy are the types of soil, right? There are 3 different types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. So in this question, iron is the odd one. So circle that. And our last question is topsoil, erosion, bedrock and subsoil. Topsoil, erosion, bedrock and subsoil. So in this question, erosion is the odd one. So circle that. Why? Because topsoil, bedrock and subsoil are the soil profiles, right? These are the different layers of the soil. First layer of the soil is topsoil, second layer of the soil is subsoil and the third layer of the soil is bedrock. So these 3 are the layers of soil. So in this question, erosion is the odd one. So circle this. So here our activity is over. So today what we learned? So today we learned about the soil profile. In this we learned about the different layers of the soil, right? First one is topsoil, second one is subsoil and the third layer of the soil is called bedrock, right? So we learned about the 3 different layers of the soil: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. So we learned about the soil profile. And the second topic that we learned is soil erosion. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water, it is called soil erosion, right? So strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees increases soil erosion. So here our topic is over and your homework for the day is underline the hard words with me. First one is topsoil, uppermost, then subsoil, bedrock, fertile, soil erosion. Yes. So students, your homework for a day is you have to write down this all underlined hard words in your fan notebook of EVS and also complete this let's remember exercise in your textbook. Fine. Now if you have any query regarding this 2 topics, soil profile and erosion, so you can drop a message or you can call me. Fine. I hope you all enjoyed it. Fine. Have a wonderful day everyone. Bye bye.